Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. If you have followed me, maybe like me, your faith are built up stronger and stronger every day. So follow me, make we build with faith together. And if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 14 to verse 21. When them come down which part the crowd there, one man come kneel down in front of Jesus. Him say, Lord, take pity upon my boy and make him get better. Do. Sometime I like say him I get mad. Him catch fits and it do him bad sir. And no 1 and 2 time him drop down in a fire and in a water. Me bring him come to your special follower them, but then couldn't make him get better. Jesus say, Uno people will live in at that time here. Uno no believe and uno no do what uno fi do. How much longer me have to tanya we don't know? How much longer me have to put up we don't know? Carry boy come to me. Jesus run out the demon and he come out of the boy. The picnic get better from that time there. Then him follower them come to him one side and say, what make we couldn't run out the demon? So him said to them, say, cause uno ne really believe, say God would a do it. Here when me a say, and a true me attack. If uno believe, even for little bit, little like the little seed, uno will say to the mountain here, move from here so go there so. And he move. Nothing not about where uno nah go can do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.